If you want to edit your micro-experiences, navigate to Accelerate Growth, and then click on Micro-experiences. Under the Content section, you'll find different cards that the system automatically created for various stages of your buying journey. We always recommend checking each one of these cards and modify if needed. To edit them, simply click on each card. Here you can edit the title. To save changes, click on the check mark. The content for each card can also be modified. If you wish to disregard changes, click Cancel. You also have the option to alter every sentence presented. For the multimedia content, you can either upload a banner or a video. Please consider the size and dimensions of the card. Pathmonk supports several options, though we always recommend uploading your own video or image to maintain your corporate identity. Alternatively, you can select an AI video, choose from one of our avatars, change the background, and decide whether to keep captions enabled or disabled. Once you're happy, click Select. For a more personalized touch, you can order a custom video. To do this, click here and choose one of our avatars. You can select a different language if necessary, decide if you want subtitles, add a custom background URL, and provide your transcription up to 380 characters. If necessary, add any comments. Once you're satisfied with the information, click Send. Our team will review it and get back to you within 72 hours with the video. To modify your CTAs, navigate to the Call to Action section. Here, you can easily change the CTA of your micro-experiences. You can also update your design after onboarding has been completed. Go to Design and select if you want to change the font, choose a different background, and change the colors of your CTA, background, font, etc. Click on Save once you're happy. For more advanced adjustments, such as changing the appearance of your CTA or hover colors, navigate to Advanced Style Customization and add your own code here. For additional information, click on Learn More, which will take you to our article where you can find different templates for customization. This is an example of a customer with a heavy branding customization. As you can see, they have altered both the title, the font, the hover, etc. All their micro-experiences are looking really cool and adapted to their brand style. If we check their CSS, we see they have injected some heavy code in this section. Let's go now to their website. As you can see, they have a very peculiar and carefully crafted branding, and they were able to replicate it to their micro-experiences by applying custom CSS. This way, everything looks perfectly on brand and integrated with their design.